Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Toluwalashe, which means authority belongs to God. So in this video guys, I'll be sharing how to find arbitrage opportunity making use of a very popular application called Coinmarketcap. So before we get into that guys, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel because this gives us more awareness and also gets our videos to people that might also be interested in watching our videos. So without no further delay, let's get right into that. So for this arbitrage opportunity, for this crypto arbitrage opportunity, we're going to be making use of app called coinmarketcap.com. You can download it on the Play Store or Apple Store depending on the phone you're using, or you probably go to your browser and type coinmarketcap.com. Then it's open up. So what CoinMarketCap actually does, for some of us that don't know what is CoinMarketCap, is that it gives every information you need to know about a coin. So it actually breaks down your research for you to be able to know more about a coin you want to ape in or probably utilize. So for this arbitrage opportunity, for this video, we are going to be making use of the number one popular most used coin, Bitcoin, to find the arbitrage opportunity under this coin. So for us to be able to check the arbitrage opportunity for Bitcoin, we'll go to markets. After opening up our BTC, we click market. Then as you can see here, we see that we have different kind of price and for different kind of exchange, because this market actually shows us where we can be able to buy Bitcoin and where we can be able to sell Bitcoin, the confidence level, the price and every other thing, the volume and the capital market and so on and so forth, guys. So now what we are going to be looking for is where they are actually selling low and where they are selling high. So we are going to be making use of that opportunity to buy low at that exchange and sell high at another exchange. So for a fact here now, I can see that someone is selling at 19,890 at Binance here. So we'll probably look for something higher than that. We can sell for 19,910. But based on the fact that I don't want to actually take more of your time, guys, this arbitrage opportunity, you can actually take time to find the lowest among the exchange and the highest among the exchange to make use of the arbitrage opportunity, guys. So thank you. That's just it for today.